Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to share your final edited video directly in online. So without any further delay, let's start it. Let's say this is our final edited video. To upload this in online directly from Vegas Pro, actually process is pretty simple. Simply select your final edited video and then go to File, Share Online, and here you see three different options. Upload to Facebook, upload to Vimeo, upload to YouTube. Now if you want to upload this final edited video directly in Facebook, then simply hit on upload to Facebook. Then type your video title, description, and render quality, choose normal or higher, and then hit on upload. After rendering, then Vegas Pro asks you to log in your Facebook account, and then simply hit on upload. In the same way, if you want to upload your video directly in YouTube, then simply hit on upload in YouTube. Let's say title, this time I type sample 1, description ABC, alright. And in text, you can put relevant video text. I just randomly put 2 texts. And broadcast option, privacy actually, you can set it public or private. I choose public this time. Render quality, I set higher. And check this render and upload loop region only. Alright. And finally, I just simply hit on upload. Look, our video is just rendering. So once it is done, you will see this window. Now Vegas Pro asks you to log in your YouTube account. Simply put your email address and then hit on next and type your password. And then select your YouTube channel and hit allow and upload it. Vegas Pro automatically upload video in your YouTube channel. This time I just cancel this. Makes sense, right? In this way you can easily upload your final edited video directly in online using Vegas Pro. Thank you so much for watching.